Welcome to Spoken Words number 2 and to the island of Madeira, a tiny rock jutting out of the Atlantic Ocean about 500 miles west of Casablanca in Morocco. And Madeira only has a footprint a little larger than the Isle of Wight, but it is a lot taller. There are 4 peaks around the 6,000 foot mark. At its highest point, Pico Roivo is over 1,800 metres. It's 500 metres higher than Ben Nevis and measured from its nearest convenient car park, twice the height of Snowdon. You can ride from the clouds up here all the way to the ocean down there. Now, Madeira does have a bit of a reputation as a hangout for the over 50s, enjoying the flowers, taking walks. The locals have other ideas. When they hold a mountain bike race, it is in the spirit of this island's volcanic past. 150 riders, starting from a volcanic peak, racing all together to a tiny village at its base. The first man to the bottom wins. Welcome to the Raposeira.
The track at Raposeira is over 7 kilometres long, and the ride to the top a lot longer than that. So after 3 practice runs, I was lining up for qualifying.
4, 3, 2, 1,
So, just did qualifying, went alright. I had to pass the guy who started in front of me. Hey, come on, let's qualify. Get the fuck out of the way. But yeah, it's important to do well. You get started in rows of 10. With 150 riders, you want to be near the front for the first sprint, but that should be good. I should be in the first couple of rows, hopefully, fingers crossed.
The start, when you listen to the horn, you can start.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Good luck, guys. "20 seconds.
I've started well. I'm in third, coming into the first corner. But there's a lot of fast riders behind me. I've got to bury myself now. First tricky corner, got a break. Still in sight of the leaders, but I don't expect to be with them for too long. I can feel someone on the inside. I can't breathe. Come on. I'm coming into some... Where's my run? Oh, big drift. Okay. There's 2 places. Into the single track. It's really wet, slimy. Oh, big hit there. Tight corner. Oh, there's a what I mean to go. Oh shit! Wow, close to the wall there. Oh. There's the opener. Oh, breathe. Okay. Focus on lines. Go. Got a block. Ride for the position. Someone's gone down. It's a traffic jam. Oh shit! Oh wow! Offline there. I gotta take a wide line. Oh, come on, come on. Jumps coming up. One. Second one, two. Break braking bumps. Just try and stay loose. Oh man, there's someone right behind me, dying to get past. But I'm breathing. Okay. Whoever's behind me is bound to attack now. I can't stand up. My legs are killing me. A little drift. Okay. Okay. I've got a few meters. Just really need to focus through here. Okay. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, grounded on the pedal. Fast, fast, it's finished. Yo, come on! Oh, oh, oh God, that hurts. I think I might be a top 10. It might be a top 10. I feel so broken, but so good at the same time. Oh, how's that possible? My hands feel like a hand grenade went off in them. Oh, my legs are screaming. Forget 50 Shades of Grey. That's 50 Shades of Black. Oh man, my legs are like jelly.